Step into the field with me. No more paper maps, no more guesswork. Hello guys, this is Tony from Geodex. Now we have got the Geodex G60 Pro ready, and I'm going to show you how to turn these digital CAD files into physical markers with centimeter accuracy. Now let's import CAD files. Prepare DWG of DXF joining on your computer. Connect data controller and PC with USB cable. Copy CAD files to data controller. Next, open CAD Stakeout Clean 5, then Clean Open, and finally locate the imported CAD file in the File tabs link. Next is CAD drawing function. As we see on the screen, we can draw line. Polyline are rectangle and other graphics. Directly on site with RTK Rover. Just select the drawing tool. Select real-time points, and say to finish drawing. Now for point staking. Tap point selection, pick target points on CAD maps and check coordinates. Move Rover by compass and DXO dy value. Mark the ground value are near 0. Then set the point. Importing, drawing, and staking done in minutes. Boost your site efficiency with Geodex G60 Pro. Subscribe for more field tests and leave your question below.